The motives behind the actions attributed to gray aliens are purely speculative, as there's no verified evidence of their existence or intentions. That said, a variety of theories, often rooted in science fiction and popular culture, have been proposed. Here are some of the main ideas. Some theories suggest that greys might be conducting biological or environmental research. Abductions, experiments, and livestock mutilations are often explained as part of their efforts to understand Earth's life forms and ecosystems. Another common theory is that greys are focused on genetic engineering or hybridization. Some believe they might be collecting DNA from humans and animals to create hybrids, improve their own species, or address their own biological needs. Many UFO enthusiasts propose that these beings are observing human behavior, technological progress, or environmental impact, almost like distant, detached watchers. There's speculation that they may be here to harvest resources, whether biological, mineral, or something entirely unknown to us. Some theories suggest that greys might not be extraterrestrial, but interdimensional or time-traveling beings exploring or experimenting with parallel realities or timelines. On a more psychological level, some argue that stories of greys reflect humanity's fears of the unknown, advanced technology, or loss of autonomy, rather than representing literal beings. The idea of gray aliens taking livestock often comes from UFO and extraterrestrial folklore. Stories about mysterious cattle mutilations and abductions have captured public imagination for decades, and they typically involve creatures referred to as greys, a common depiction of aliens with large heads, slender bodies, and big black eyes. While science has yet to provide evidence to support such claims, theories about why extraterrestrial beings would target livestock abound. Some suggest it's for scientific experimentation, possibly to study Earth's biology or monitor environmental changes. Others speculate that these tales are symbolic expressions of humanity's fears about losing control, the unknown, or even our treatment of animals. Theories about why gray aliens allegedly take livestock information are steeped in folklore, science fiction, and conspiracy narratives. Some of the key ideas include scientific research. This theory proposes that greys might be studying Earth's ecosystems, including livestock, to understand our planet's biological diversity or detect environmental changes. Cattle mutilation stories often describe precision cuts and unexplained phenomena, which are sometimes attributed to extraterrestrial scientific methods. Genetic data collection. Some speculate that greys collect genetic material from livestock to conduct experiments, create hybrids, or address biological issues within their own species. Livestock could provide a source of DNA or biological components useful for their research. Another theory suggests they might be harvesting specific elements from livestock, such as proteins or other biological materials, for sustenance or technological use. Livestock, being integral to human agriculture, could serve as a way for greys to monitor human practices, environmental impact, or technological progress. These ideas, however, are purely speculative and lack scientific evidence. Many stories of gray aliens and livestock abductions reflect human imagination, fears, and a fascination with the unknown rather than confirmed extraterrestrial activity. Theories about the motives of gray aliens are mostly speculative and fueled by UFO folklore and popular culture. Greys are often portrayed as scientists or explorers studying Earth and its inhabitants. Abductions and experiments are thought to be part of their efforts to understand biology, ecology, and behavior. Many stories suggest greys collect genetic material to create hybrids, improve their species, or address their biological needs. Some theories propose that greys are like cosmic anthropologists, observing human society, technological development, and environmental impact. The idea that greys come to Earth to harvest biological, mineral, or other unknown resources aligns with narratives of their need for survival or technological advancement. Some speculate greys might not be extraterrestrial at all, but rather beings from alternate dimensions or timelines, exploring or manipulating our reality for unknown purposes. On a psychological level, greys may symbolize humanity's fears and uncertainties about loss of control, advanced technology, and the unknown. Each of these theories is more about storytelling and cultural fascination than scientific evidence. They offer intriguing ways to think about humanity's relationship with the universe, but their truth remains a mystery. The scientific community has explored the possibility of alien encounters, but no definitive evidence has been found to support extraterrestrial visits. Here's a summary of the current state of evidence. Supporting evidence. Unexplained phenomena. Reports of unidentified aerial phenomena, formerly known as UFOs, have intrigued scientists. Some sightings remain unexplained, but most are attributed to natural or human-made objects. Researchers have detected mysterious signals such as the WOW signal or radio bursts from Proxima Centauri, which could hint at extraterrestrial intelligence. However, these signals often have plausible non-alien explanations. Discoveries of potentially habitable exoplanets and environments, like the subsurface oceans of Europa and Enceladus, suggest conditions that could support life. Refuting evidence. No conclusive proof. NASA and other scientific organizations have found no evidence linking UAPs to extraterrestrial origins. Most sightings are explained as weather balloons, drones, or other mundane phenomena. Biological constraints. The lack of confirmed extraterrestrial life forms, even in environments conducive to life, challenges the idea of alien encounters. Psychological factors. Many alien encounter claims are attributed to psychological phenomena, cultural influences, or hoaxes.